Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the sticker type and exact spot. Choose matte for writing, washi for repositioning, or vinyl for durability. Once chosen, trim edges so the sticker sits within a 1/4 margin. This prevents peeling. Stick lightly at one edge first and hinge it down. This gives you control and prevents bubbles. Make sure to press from center out and smooth with a bone folder or credit card. If you need to write on it, let adhesive rest for 5 minutes so ink won't smear. Once the base is secure, build functional layers. Place a background sticker, then a focal element, and finish with a thin label or date tab. Use foam adhesive dots to create depth. They also keep writing space flat if you need to journal over it. For labels, choose a fine-tip permanent pen on glossy surfaces versus gel or ballpoint on matte. Make sure to press edges down after adding each layer so nothing catches when you close the journal. If alignment matters, use a ruler for straight placement. Finish by sealing edges if the journal will be handled frequently. Clear tape thinly applied prevents lifting. If you find air bubbles, don't peel the whole sticker. Use a fine needle to puncture the highest point and smooth the air out with a card. Should a sticker start to peel days later, remove and reapply with double-sided tape or a thin line of glue. Alternatively, swap it for a washi strip which tolerates movement. Remember, small corrections keep the page tidy and usable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.